Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening VS Code and immediately choosing a project folder. This sets the workspace context so extensions and settings apply. Once done, install only the essential extensions you need for the language or framework, because fewer extensions mean faster startup and fewer conflicts. Make sure to create a vscode/settings. JSON to pin formatters, linters, and interpreter paths. This keeps the project reproducible across machines. You'll see how these early choices streamline later steps. Now you configure the core developer tools so editing, building, and testing become efficient. Use the command palette to select the interpreter and formatter. This ensures code runs and formats consistently, which reduces debugging time. Next, use the integrated terminal and create tasks. JSON for build/test commands so you don't type long commands repeatedly. Finally, assign a few custom key bindings for frequent actions. This accelerates your flow and prevents context switching between mouse and keyboard. Finish by running and debugging your code within VS Code to validate everything works together. Create a launch. JSON for debugger configurations so you can add breakpoints, step through code, and inspect variables. This clarifies runtime behavior and eliminates guesswork. When errors appear, consult the problems panel and output logs, fix the source, and rerun tasks to confirm resolution. If extensions cause instability, disable them individually and restart, or use safe mode to isolate the.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.